Hello everyone, today we are here to review this book of Vinod Publications. It's a bestseller book. Its name is Learning Languages at Elementary Level. Cover of this book is very nice. It's a National Institute of Open Schooling (NOIS) book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It's a DLED book of Punjabi medium. So let's have a quick review on this one. The book is as per the new syllabus pattern. Let's review it. First of all, syllabus is given. Unit 1, understanding language. These are the topics. Then Unit 2, skills associated with language learning. These are the topics. Then Unit 3, language learning. These are the topics. Now we have to match the contents with the syllabus, whether the contents match the syllabus or not. Like Unit 1, understanding language. What is language? Indian language learning, language learning and teaching, verified with syllabus. So Unit 1, what is language? Indian language, language learning and teaching. Unit 1 syllabus, it's completely there. Unit 1 is completely fine of contents. Unit 2, we have to check now. Listening and speaking, reading, writing, verified with syllabus. Listening and speaking, reading, writing. Unit 2 is also clear. And then Unit 3, literature and language, teaching planning in language classroom. Then educational material, evaluation and assessment. And you can check out verified Unit 3 now. Literature and language, teaching learning, educational material, then evaluation assessment. So it's completely there. Also in Unit 3, other things are also mentioned which are not there in syllabus, but they are there in the book, in the contents also, like objective type questions, short answer type questions, model test paper 1, model test paper part 2. So everything is completely given, and something extra MCQ questions are also given. You can go to any page number and find that particular topic, and the topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both English readers and Punjabi readers to understand this book and buy it. Like 119 page writing topic should be there. Let's check this out at 119 page. See, page 119, writing is completely there. You can check this out. Things are very well explained. In pictorial representation are given. Go to any one more page now and check this out. For example, the model test paper part 2, 263 page, 272, 263 page. You can check this out. Model test paper part 2, 263 page. MCQ completely given. Everything is completely given till the end of the book, page 2 and till 272. So very good book, very nice book, and topics, very well explained topics. I highly recommend this book. Its price is just rupees 174.50 rupees only, and it covers 272 pages. This is very reasonable price for this book, very less price. In the back side of the book, other textbooks and guest paper of NOIS and iOS Vinod Publications are also mentioned. This book is available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218 on Vinod Publications, and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days time. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby your location, which at 174.50 rupees only. You can also go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. You can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any query, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or this book or any guest paper, you can go to their helpline at help@vinodpublications.com, and they will definitely sort out your query within just few minutes. So 174.50 is a very reasonable price for this book. Learning languages at elementary level, NOIOS book, DLED, code 503, Punjabi medium book, bestseller book, new as per the new syllabus pattern of this most trusted publishing firm book, Vinod Publications. I think you should definitely buy this book. I highly recommend this book. It will definitely help in exams. Thank you so much.